Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you organize your PDF file. This is my file and I need to organize it according to my requirement. Like I want this page at the bottom and the bottom page at the front. So how I can do this? For this, simply I need to go to the Google, type I love PDF. Sorry, I forgot to type complete. Yeah, I love PDF. This is the website we are going to use. Just click on this. And at the bottom, we have an option to organize your PDF file. Just select the PDF file to whom you want to organize. This is my PDF file and I want to organize this. So I want this page at the start and this page at the end. And I want to remove this specific page because it has only a single image. Just remove this, organize, and now you can download the file. Here you can see my file is downloaded. Now we can see the result. So here you can see at the bottom we have a this file and the graph file is at the bottom. And I removed that image specific file. So by using this simple step, you can easily organize your PDF file. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.